It's time to play Dress Up. Dress Up is a game we play each and every single day. We can be most anything, fairy, doctor, dancer, king. Ooh! Maybe we're all going to be fairy princesses. Huh? Not me. We're going to be race car drivers. I'm a very, very good driver. It's another dress-up day. It's our favourite game to play. This must be the racetrack. Now we just need some cars. Here they come. This car is so beautiful and so purple. It must be for me. Is this great or what? Hop in, Soggy. Seatbelts on. Helmets up. Your world is great, Chloe.
Aren't you all a little young to be driving cars?
Not in my world, lovely carrot. Look what Soggy found on his seat. It's a map with directions for the race. We found a map too.
Where's our map? We need a map. How can we race without a map?
Here it is. You were sitting on it.
Huh?
I'm the oldest whiz, so I'm probably going to win.
I don't know, Chloe. These directions are hard to follow.
I think the map is backwards, lovely carrot.
Oh. You're right. This is much easier to read.
Where do we go, Soggy? Between those trees? Here we go. Everyone is going into the forest between the trees, Wiz. I think it'll be faster to go round the trees. Which way now, lovely carrot?
That's odd. It says to go up. How can we go up in a forest?
It's easy. We just go up. Ready?
Huh?
Going up. Do you know how to fly an aeroplane, Chloe? I do in my world. So do you. You're my co-captain.
I'm the flight attendant. And here come our passengers. Welcome aboard, sir. Phew. Welcome aboard, ma'am.
Up, up, up to the sky above. Up to the sky above.
Have a nice flight. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
This is Captain Chloe speaking. Last call to board South Winter Airlines flight number
Wait, please. I have a ticket.
Have a good flight, Junior.
Will you two be boarding as well?
Ha! We don't need no plane to fly south.
We have wings.
Good morning, everybody. This is Co-Captain Lil. Please put your tray tables up and fasten your seatbelts.
Tray table up, sir.
Hello, lovely carrot.
Hello, Captain Chloe.
Hi, mister. Huh? You look just like Super Malad. Who? Up, up, up to the sky above? No, I don't think so. We're gonna take off. What do I do? What do I do?
We'll just buckle your seatbelt and you can sit back and relax.
Phew. Thank you.
Wait a minute! You're a duck! Why are you flying south on an aeroplane?
My wings are tired.
Whoa! I better get back to my seat.
Hi, it's Captain Chloe again. We are now safely above the clouds.
Would sir like a snack? Just look at that view. Hey, look, Junior! You're two friends! Yoo-hoo!
Hi.
There are some very friendly ducks flying nearby, and they've invited us to follow them for a while. So here we go! Flying up into the sky is what we love, what we love. Going through the clouds and being high above, high above. Round and round and round we go, putting on a flying show. Flying up into the sky is what we love, what we love. Flying down towards the ground is where we'll go, where we'll go. Moving closer to the people down below, down below. Up and down and round we go, putting on a flying show. Flying all around the sky is what we love, what we love. Poor choo-choo train. He can't get up that steep hill. I wonder how long he's been trying. These cows don't look very happy.
Cows never look happy.
We're going to help you get up that hill, Choo-Choo. But first, you look a bit dusty and rusty. Let's get you cleaned up all nice and shiny.
At your service, Miss Chloe.
Now let's wash Choo-Choo. Next, we'll oil his wheels. Ugh. Lollipops. That's heavy. This one's just right. Come on, lovely carrot. 1 squirt, 2 squirt, 3 squirt, 4.
From this can, the oil will pour.
Choo-Choo is as clean as a whistle. And all oiled up. All he needs now is some coal and he's ready to go. This is my job. I'm the coal stoker, so I stoke the coal. Can I help? Sure. what do we do? Well, you feed the choo-choo. These shovels are really heavy, Chloe. The shovels aren't heavy, silly. The coal is heavy.
I'll take a little off the top. Now you're ready to start stoking.
Here we go. Here we go. Fill him up with lots of coal. With lots of coal. Choo-choo is full and ready to go. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Chug, chug, toot, toot, off we go. Poor Choo-choo. He's just not strong enough to get up the hill. Or maybe his load is too heavy. Good thinking, Chloe. Let's make it lighter. We'll unhook the boulder car and come back for it later. The load is still too heavy. Unhook the cattle car. That will make it lighter.
Sorry, ladies. We'll be back for you soon.